News.
Eldoret South Sub-County Criminal Investigations Officer, Chief Inspector Stephen Mumba, was on Friday put to task over the dramatic arrest and subsequent arraignment of Kapseret Member of Parliament Oscar Sudi in September 2020 on allegations of hate speech against Mama Ngina Kenyatta. The officer was asked to state why the Member of Parliament's house was broken into and on whose orders. He further revealed that a high delegation of officers, including some drawn from the GSU, were deployed for the operation. Here is KTN's Ibrahim Karanja with that story.
The arrest and subsequent arraignment of Oscar Kipchumba Sudi in September 2020 made headlines for days, especially owing to the uproar that his alleged remarks against Mama Ngina Kenyatta elicited. Eldoret South Criminal Investigations Officer Chief Inspector Stephen Mumba being placed in the hot seat to shed light on what transpired on that day.
We conducted a raid at the house of the residence of Honorable Oscar Sudi, who was wanted by NCAC on allegations of hate speech.
Did you see any summons? Someone in the accused? We did not see any summons.
The officer revealing the high-level delegation that raided Sudi's home that even included officers from GSU drawn from Malaba under the stewardship of then Uasin Gishu County Police Commander.
Who broke the door? I've said the door. You don't recall. Did you have breaking orders? Did you see any breaking orders from any court to break the door?
There was a council who allowed the police to break the door.
You remember there was counsel who broke the door. Who gave authority for the breakage of the door. But you can't remember who broke the door. My instructions, Chief Inspector Mumba, is that you are the one who broke the door.
Defense lawyers further questioned the manner in which Sudi was dramatically flown to Nakuru despite him presenting himself to the police, yet he had no official summons.
The suspect, Mr. Mumba, flown after arrest, from your experience, on a scale of 1 to 10.
This was one and only on my side.
This is the only one. Please confirm to court that the accused person is a peaceful leader and citizen of Eldoret South.
I have not had anything wrong.
Nothing wrong so far.
The defense had earlier registered their dissatisfaction with the slow pace that the case was taking, blaming the prosecution for not being ready in what they termed as a politically instigated case. Sudi is facing charges of hate speech reportedly directed to Mama Ngina Kenyatta, mother to President Uhuru Kenyatta. The hearing of the case will continue on the 24th of September, with the prosecution aligned to present 2 more witnesses, including David Muasia from the Communication Authority, as well as one Mr. Okello, who was the investigating officer. Ibrahim Karanja, KTN News.
As Kenya prepares to host the